All about welcome today. Today we are going to discuss about Facebook group, how to create a Facebook group. All right. Probably you have a business or you have an organization where you want to improve the engagement there and to make um, some like-minded people in your Facebook friends list to add them in a particular group so that you guys could communicate better and to have a one particular mind or goal which you actually want to create or boost. All right. In order to do this, let's go ahead and open a Facebook page. Let's go ahead and open facebook.com. Now, if you open facebook.com, just look below after the name, news feeds, shortcut, as well. Just below, you are going to notice create. And when you move down further, you'll be able to get wait, you'll be able to get ads. That's probably when you want to create an ads or you want to create a page. We are going to come back to this later on. Now we want to create a group. In order to create a Facebook group, go ahead and click on group. Now it's going to opt in and ask you to type a group name. Now what this means is just a particular unique name you want to give to the group. Then I'm going to say all right, I just said my friends. Now to add people, let's go ahead and look for your friend's name. In order to get them, just type, you probably know your friend's name, so just go ahead and search them. Let me see. Okay, and then I want to add and then okay, probably let me just add three people because this is just something that I want to. And you can go ahead and add as many as. And then there is another way to invite people. You could actually select this particular and send them an invitation, like saying, "Hey." Now it's always appropriate to invite people with a note. So probably is someone you know, so you can just leave it formal, and then the next thing for you to do is just to select a particular group privacy. Now, in selecting a closed group, actually only people you've added is going to be able to see this and to see the post you have in it. No, sorry, people you've added will be able to see the group and see the post you have on it, but anybody outside of the group cannot see it. And then this secret group, it's only the people you've added that will be able to be in the group. And then people outside won't be able to see the post you have on the group and they won't be able to join the group except when you add them. But this one, anybody can see and then join. But here, anybody can see, join, and then see the post and also see the members who are also on the group. So now, because this is a tutorial purpose driven group, so I'm just going to go ahead and make it public. Now, I could say pin this to a shortcut. It's going to pin it somewhere around here so that I'll be able to see. Now, the next thing to do is just go ahead and click on create. That's that, very simple. Then wait for it to load. It's going to come up and then ask you to upload your profile image. Let's go ahead and select. I don't have any profile image here yet. Let's go ahead and select this, and then actually not the size. So let me say okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and pause this video and then come back right in and complete it. So basically, this is our group, and these are the people in the group. You can actually go on and add more people to the group. You can notice they are being added, and then just like it is, you can go ahead and say to the group and then post. Scroll down, click on publish post. You can actually go ahead and tag some people, create a poll, ask for recommendation, and then send a filling tag or you're checking. But let me just go ahead and click on post. Then it's going to post, and this is my first post to the group. Probably the people that are in the group are just going to say hi and start commenting up. All right, let me go ahead and probably close this group. And then if you want to check out for the members who are already in the group, you can go ahead and click on members. There you will see everybody who is already in the group, and from here on you could actually remove anybody who you don't want to be in the group and go ahead and say delete all others post. But since we don't have any post anyway, it's not going to do anything, so let's just go ahead and leave it. I'm actually going to delete this group later on after this tutorial, but then I actually hope you guys are understanding this video because for some reason there is no other shortcut to it. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video, come back, and then upload my cover and then profile photo. Now we have our image downloaded. Now let me go ahead and click on the upload image and select my image, which I actually want to use. I just prefer using this one. Let me go ahead and click on it, allow it to upload, and then okay. I actually have some issue. At least 400 pixel and at least 100. Okay, now I get what it's saying, but I really don't have time to work on images. Let me just go ahead and select any image I have here. Let me scroll down. Uh, and I got it wrong again. Okay, let's go ahead and upload another image. Okay, sorry guys. Actually, I was trying to upload a wall picture instead of a group picture. So let me go ahead and select on this one. I think it's going to accept that. And you can see it accepted it. Now let's go ahead and crop our image, crop a little the way we want. I think this is a bit centralized now. So now once you're done, just go ahead and click on saving images, saving the image. Now the image is done saved, and then you can go on discussion. Yeah, you'll be able to get the group's image and go ahead and post everything you want to post. All your users are going to be seeing your post and say, happy Sunday, guys. And someone is definitely going to respond to it, and we're going to be chatting like a normal. Okay, there is no magic in this. I hope you try this and hopefully you get it right the first time. And then if you're having any challenge on this video or trying to create your own, just let me know in the video and then I will be able to put some use to it. All right. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. And make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment whenever you have an issue. Once again, my name is Stanley from TS Tech Talk. See you guys.